YouTube, back at you again with another video. And on this video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna change out this brake light. We gotta get it out of there. You know what I mean? Yeah! Alright YouTube, so in this video, we're getting rid of this tail light. We're gonna install some integrated turn signal sequential brake lights, all in one, smoked colored. I'm excited for it. It's gonna look pretty dope. So yeah, stay tuned. So to get the brake light assembly out, if I'm not mistaken, it's 1, 2, and then this whole thing just slides out. These cables, well, let's unplug. Wait, let me make sure I'm looking at this right, because it's looking like that's not where it goes. All right, so the clips I was talking about is these clips right here. So basically what you do is there's a little tab. You push down on this outer part. You push down on this outer part, and then you pull up on this inner part, and then the whole thing separates. So there's one here. I've already taken this one out, and then there's one, and then one. The ECU is those 3 clips right there, and then I just need to get access to this wire loom, which goes down in here, and then the connector is in this general area. So let me take off this back body panel. You may not have to do this, but I'm trying to figure out if there's an easier way. But so far I don't see one. So now I have this whole back panel part taken off. The only thing that's holding this in place is this little Phillips screwdriver head and the one on the other side, and then this whole piece can come out. But I just want to show you how the brake line is ran. The brake light wire is ran. So it's here, and it goes down, and it's right there, and then it goes right there. And then once you take that clip off, the whole brake light can come out. But the only thing I'm missing on the brake light is just these 2 screwdrivers, these 2 screw heads right here. So let me pop these off real quick, and then I'll show you how this brake light comes out. All right, so this part was here. All I did was just loosen it from here. And then this is the brake light, the complete brake light. All right, so real quick, if you put on, or if you have the fender on the bike, you have to loosen these 4 so that this plastic can flex down and the brake light can slide out. But while I'm here, let me just pop this off real quick. You just push down on this little pin and pull. And the one hand features are not working. All right, guys, so once you get the OEM brake light out of the bike, which is LED, by the way, if you're wondering, you will have to reuse some parts. The main part that you'll have to reuse is these rubber grommets on the new one. But this is what it looks like, smoked out, boys. And then this is the programmable button right here. When you purchase it, it's going to be right there, and it actually say program. So yeah. So basically, this wire is like the same OEM setup, and then this brown wire and this green wire goes to the turn signals on the bike. There's a gray and black one in the video that I showed you a few minutes ago. That's where these 2 go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer over these 2 grommets to the new one, and then I'll show you how I put it on the new bike, on the bike. So as you can see, the brake light is on. Now if I press the brake, it's double flash. which I plan to keep the brake lights like that. Let's check the turn signals. Just so you know, green is for black, brown is for gray. And then that's the way you wire these turn signals. So I'm gonna turn the bike back on. Look at that servo move. Okay, and then right now I have a hyper flash. I'm gonna show you how to install the relay for that. Then you go to the back of the bike and we have a turn signal. I don't like that style flash, so I'm gonna hit the program button, which is right there. I'm gonna press it, and then this should change. So let me see. No, I like the standard. Standard is actually nice. Okay, so let me see what it looks like when both of them are clicked. That's a lot slower. I actually like that look. A lot better. Wow, what a difference. So yeah, and let me make sure the brake lights is how I want it to be. All right, so that you know, this is the flasher relay, and where it goes is right here. So this is the area where you have to take off the OEM flasher relay, and then the aftermarket flasher relay goes in. So basically what you do is you just pull this straight up like that. You want to reuse the grommet. So let me just pop the grommet off real quick. One hand style, baby. I usually have a method to my madness, but I don't have one today. All right, then you slide this side on like that. Then you just look at this to take this off. And then on the inside, there's a little lip that's right there where this part goes. Make sure this goes on all the way like that. And now I know this is never gonna move. All right, so now I can just put the battery back in the bike, test the lights, and make sure I like them, or they work like they should. So let me put the bike back together, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, guys, so I want to thank you guys for watching this Kawasaki Ninja 636 ZX6R integrated tail light, turn signal, flash, brake, all in one. Hey, install, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.